Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are watching my channel for the first time, then please support me by subscribing my channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new videos, you get the video notifications. So today I am presenting one very easy and tasty recipe of one chocolate dessert. It's no bake Oreo balls or Oreo truffles. These are kids' all-time favorite. Even adults love them too. It's very easy to make and you can make them quickly too. So for this I have taken 2 big packets of Oreo chocolate biscuits. Now in a mixer grinder, we'll break all the Oreo biscuits. And now we'll make a fine powder of this. Now take this in a bowl. And now pour some chocolate syrup. I am using Hershey's chocolate syrup. You can also use Nutella or any chocolate spread, or even you can use chocolate ganache. I have used 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Now you need to make a dough with this, and for this I have taken little milk to make this dough. Like you need a dough for making roti or chapati, similarly make a smooth dough of this. Now when your chocolate dough is ready, take small portion from it and with the help of your palm, give it a round shape like the laddus you make. Now keep them in a plate and like this prepare all the Oreo balls from the chocolate dough. Now once you are done with this, keep them in fridge for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, I have taken 150 gram white chocolate. I am using Mode company chocolate. Now we'll melt this white chocolate in micro oven. I have finely chopped the chocolate and transferred them into a microwave bowl. Now first I am giving for 30 seconds. The chocolate has not melted completely, so I will put for another 15 seconds. Now take out the bowl and mix it again. You need to stir this continuously. And now you can see the chocolate has melted nicely. The smooth texture. And now dip the Oreo balls one by one in the melted chocolate. Coat the chocolate nicely in the Oreo balls. And now with the help of a fork, drain the excess chocolate like this. Now keep this chocolate balls in a plate. So repeat the process for the rest. Coat the balls with the chocolate very nicely and then drain the excess chocolate. And then immediately put some decorative sprinkles. I am using rainbow sprinkles here. It looks very colorful on white chocolate background. See, it's looking so beautiful. My Oreo balls are now ready. Try this and give this to your little ones. They will just love it. I hope you like this recipe. If you love this recipe, then please give a thumbs up. Share your feedback in the below comment section and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.